Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey, Sarah. How's it going?
Hi, Tom. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Not too bad. Just trying to stay on top of things at work. You know how it is.
Oh, tell me about it. Work has been crazy lately. I feel like I'm always playing catch up.
I hear you. It seems like there's never enough hours in the day to get everything done.
Exactly. And then on top of work, there's always household chores and errands to run.
Yeah, adulting can be tough sometimes. But hey, at least we're in it together, right?
That's true. It definitely helps to have friends who understand what you're going through.
Speaking of which, have you made any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I was thinking about going to see that new movie that just came out. Have you heard about it?
Yeah, I have. It's gotten some pretty good reviews. I'd be down to check it out with you.
Awesome. We should totally make it a movie night. Maybe grab some dinner beforehand?
Sounds like a plan to me. Any preferences on where you want to eat?
I'm not sure. Maybe we could try that new Italian place downtown?
Oh yeah, I've heard great things about it. Let's do it.
Perfect. I'll make a reservation for Saturday night.
Great. I'll look forward to it. So, aside from work and errands, have you had any time for hobbies lately?
Not as much as I'd like, but I've been trying to squeeze in some reading whenever I can. How about you?
I've been getting back into playing guitar. It's been really therapeutic for me.
That's awesome. Maybe you could play something for me sometime?
Sure thing. I'm still a bit rusty, but I'd be happy to serenade you.
I can't wait. It'll be like our own private concert.
I'll try not to disappoint. So, what book are you currently reading?
I'm actually reading a mystery novel right now. It's got me hooked.
Nice. I love a good mystery. Let me know how it ends.
Will do. Well, I hate to cut this short, but I should probably get back to work.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later, Sarah.
Bye, Tom. Take care. Hey, Lily. Isn't this just the perfect spot for a beachside chat?
Absolutely, Emma. The sound of the waves and the salty breeze, it's so relaxing.
I know, right? It's moments like these that make all the hustle and bustle worth it.
Totally agree. So, how's your vacation been so far?
Oh, it's been incredible. We went scuba diving yesterday and saw the most amazing marine life.
Wow, that sounds amazing. I've always wanted to try scuba diving. Was it scary at all?
At first, I was a bit nervous, but once you're underwater, it's like entering a whole new world. You should definitely give it a try.
I might just do that. So, any other adventures planned for the rest of your trip?
Well, tomorrow we're renting some bikes and exploring the nearby villages. Then, the day after, we're going on a sunset cruise.
Sounds like you're making the most out of your time here. I've mostly been lounging by the pool with a good book.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a bit of relaxation. It's important to unwind and recharge, too.
True. Speaking of which, have you tried any of the local delicacies yet?
Oh, yes. The seafood here is divine. I had the most amazing lobster linguine last night.
My mouth is watering just thinking about it. I'll have to try it before I leave.
Definitely. And don't forget to indulge in some tropical fruits as well. They're so fresh and flavorful here.
I'll make sure to do that. So, have you had any memorable experiences since you arrived?
Well, yesterday we stumbled upon a hidden beach with the softest sand I've ever felt. It was like something out of a postcard.
Wow, that sounds like a hidden gem. I'll have to ask you to take me there before I leave.
Absolutely. It's a must-see. Hey, speaking of must-sees, have you visited the local markets yet?
Not yet, but I've heard they're a shopper's paradise. I'll definitely check them out before I go.
You won't be disappointed. The vibrant colors, the exotic crafts, it's like stepping into another world.
I can't wait. Well, it looks like the sun is starting to set. Shall we take a stroll along the beach?
Sounds perfect, Lily. Let's soak in every moment of this magical vacation.